Let me congratulate all of you, the people of Karnataka, and more particularly the people of Bellary, for the dedication of this trauma center, which is a state-of-the-art trauma center as we could visualize from a distance at the Vijayanagar Institute of Medical Sciences. I feel so happy to see that the program enjoys the blessing of our dear Chief Minister Shri Yediyurappa ji. Last many days we have seen, in fact last many months now, he has been fighting COVID from the front, and he has been fighting to the extent that he himself contracted COVID infection. We had been inquiring about his welfare, and I feel so happy to see him here in this function, fully recovered, again full of energy and enthusiasm. So first of all, I would like to congratulate our Honorable Chief Minister and all his colleagues for putting their best foot forward against the fight for alleviation of the sufferings of the people from COVID infection. Karnataka has done a remarkably good job, and I know that there are many good practices which have been used in Karnataka to fight COVID, which are worth emulating by others, and I have quoted them in number of meetings with other state health ministers also. It's a very, very happy occasion, and the visit to the trauma center, which is of course state of the art, with state of the art modular OTs, departments of orthopedics, plastic surgery, neurosurgery, and so many other, with 200 beds, dedicated ICU beds and others. It looks like a five-star activity from here, and I must congratulate all of you. The man who must be the happiest today is none other than, who is no doubt not with us physically, but he has been with us all the time. His blessings are always with us. Our late dear Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. We all fondly recall with nostalgia, at least in the health department, whatever he spoke on 15th of August 2003 from the ramparts of Red Fort was probably the most historic thing that has happened to the health sector of India. For the first time, we heard a Prime Minister talking about health in so great detail, and talking and launching the Prime Minister Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. For almost 56 years, till 2003, we had only one All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi. For the first time, a Prime Minister spoke about 6 more AIIMS in the country, and he spoke about 75 institutions to get converted into either super specialty institutions with focus on other super specialties, or into these trauma centers, the type of which we have seen being inaugurated just now